Well, winter finally showed up and it's getting cold outside, so we're going to be cooking some soup. And nothing easier to do than this soup. It makes everybody happy and it smells great in the house. So there we go with this one. Basically, what will take you the longest is probably get all your veggies ready. 3 large carrot, 2 large white onion. I'm using a bit of celery, half a cabbage, and 2 cups of small tomatoes. This recipe is fairly simple. There's a few variables. You can add a few things, and I'll tell you those in a few minutes, that will make the taste change quite a bit. So I like to do a very simple recipe. Obviously, I work full time, and then it's always good to do some cooking on the weekend. You can also use that soup as a meal prep, and you can bring it to work and eat it part of your lunch. So this is fairly simple. It's also good for weight loss. Quick and easy soup. As you notice, all the chunks of veggies are fairly large because this will cook on the stove for at least an hour at low heat. And if you want to make sure that it's well done, the carrots will take the longest to cook. So taste one of the carrots and then you'll know if it's ready. For the chicken broth on this one, I'm using the low sodium one, and this one's from the store. If you do have some homemade chicken broth, or if you just got a chicken cooked in the last few weeks and you kept the broth from it, well, let's use that first, obviously. If not, you can just use that. And the secret ingredients for this one is fairly simple. It's going to be my fondue broth, and that what will make all the taste. And that's basically all there is to this soup. Probably the simplest soup you can do. It looks great, it'll smell great. If you want to use some herb or add some herb, add them at the end. If you add them too early into a recipe, they won't taste like anything. So bit of mixing, a low heat on the stove, and there you go. You got a large soup for your meal prep for the week, or for just for family for the weekend. You guys have a good one. Hopefully you join the channel and you like those simple recipe. Thank you.